Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah and this is my channel Chronically Crafty. Just thought I'd come on and let you know that the weekend just gone. So I'm filming this on Tuesday. So the weekend I went to Norfolk with my husband, my daughter and her boyfriend, and we went to the East Anglia Yarn Festival on Sunday. And I thought I'd show you what I got, what I was bought while I was there, and all the sort of the goodies that I picked up. Okay, so start with, when I ordered the tickets, I also pre-ordered myself one of these gorgeous goodie bags that the Yarn Festival do. So you get the bag, you get a skein of yarn, of double knit yarn in superwash merino, and I think the colour is Bellevue, and it's by the Lonely Knitter. So it's lovely soft yarn. So that was one of the things that came in the bag. Next one is also by the Lonely Knitter, this lovely pack of minis, Claremont mini skein set, Luxe sock minis, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and they're 20 grams each. So that's lovely. So I got that. And you also got the patterns of what to do with the yarn. So there is a pattern for, let me just get them out of this little bag. There's a pattern for some mittens to use the mini skeins, and a pattern for the cow, for a cow to use with the 100-gram skein of yarn. So there's that. And then we also got, well, this is the programme that tells you all the vendors that were there. Also got a couple of stickers. So I'm not quite sure I'm going to put those. And then there was finally some stitch markers with the logo, the East Anglia Yarn Festival logo. So that was my goodie bag that I paid for before we went. And then where is that? Well, I was there was a well, before you went you could take part in a make along, which was either a crochet cardigan or a knitted cardigan, and I decided to do the knitted cardigan. I didn't get it finished, but I did take it along and I got a ribbon. But I took it away with me to knit in the hotel and hopefully get it to a stage that I could sort of wear it even if it wasn't quite finished. But I realised that the cable I had to knit the arm on was a bit big. So while we were at the Yarn Festival, I picked up a smaller cable from one of the stalls. So I paid for that, and everything else that I got that wasn't in the goodie bag was actually bought for me. So Mr. D bought me this gorgeous sock knitting kit. So you get a pattern, a project bag and a skein of yarn. So that's going to be one project that I do. And he went away fishing beginning of the month, end of February. He went away fishing in Cornwall, and it was rather cold and windy, and he said that he'd like a beanie hat. And we were looking around the stores because I wanted a couple of skeins of yarn to make a shawl with, and so we were looking at them, and he found these ones that he liked. lovely, I don't know if you can see the sparkle. What a gorgeous sparkle. And they were from the Chromatic Yarns. These are Chromatic Yarns by the Corners Cosmos of Craft, I think it's called. The company's called the Corner of Craft. The Corner of Craft. And the colourway is called Sparkle Sock. It's not called Sparkle Sock at all, it's called Dreamweaver, and it's Sparkle Sock. It's a 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% Lorex, and he wants a beanie hat made from these yarns. So he bought those for me to make something for him. And as it's Mother's Day coming up in a couple of weeks, I had a list of things that I would like, what I wanted. And my daughter very kindly said, well, you choose what you want off the list and I'll buy them for you. And one of the things I wanted was some yarn to make a shawl with, so that when I'm knitting in bed I get a bit chilly, then I can put a shawl around my shoulders and keep it a bit warmer. And we were looking, so I said to her, what I want to do is look around all of the stalls rather than go into the first one I see and buying yarn there. I want to have a look around them all and see what yarn stands out. So her and I did that. We went around all the stalls and both of us were looking at yarn, and she said, oh, I like this one, or I like that one. And we bought this, she bought me this yarn from Pixie Yarns. It's called Sky Moon. It's a finger and weight sock yarn, also 75% merino, 25% nylon. So it's gorgeous yarn. There's even some sparkle. I don't know if the light's going to pick it up. Some sparkle on the label. There's no sparkle in the yarn, but there's sparkle on the label. It's absolutely gorgeous. So she bought me that. And another thing that I wanted was a skein of DK yarn from James Makes Yarn to make a pair of mittens or a pair of gloves for myself, because I've lost my gloves that I made from some hand-dyed yarn that I bought years and years ago in Cornwall. So she very kindly got me some of this yarn from James Makes Yarn. He's on Instagram as James Makes Things. And this is 100% superwash merino double knit in the colourway Beanie Babies. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to make myself some gloves out of this. But the first thing I'll be knitting once I finish this cardigan is a my daughter bought me a sock kit last year at the Yarn Festival, and I promised to Dee that I would make up those socks before I start on anything else. So yeah, we had a lovely time at the weekend. The hotel was lovely. We stayed there Friday night, from Friday night to Monday morning. So it was 3 nights we stayed there. I went to the Yarn Festival on the Sunday, and I really enjoyed meeting James of James Makes Yarn. Really lovely man. And yes, that's everything that I got from the Yarn Festival, and I'll be back soon with a video showing you the Always Knitting and Sewing stitchy box for March, as I can show that now that they've announced on their website what's inside and what the project is for this month. So I'll be doing that soon before the end of the month. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be back with you soon. Thank you. Bye.